Elobel, why God created a man, short hair with mustache? And then, why God created a woman, long hair with no mustache? Interesting. Do you want to know? Okay. God in the beginning is alone. Hey, and I am burping. God is sorry. Okay. God, okay. 3 burp. Oh, poor. Okay. Okay. God in the beginning is by himself, lonely. And then he created million, trillion, billion of angels. But then one mess up. He become evil, angel Lucy, angel Lucifer. Okay? The devil. Okay, so God and the devil in heaven. And now God created paradise. Do you know what is paradise? Paradise is another place, is a land like earth. It's a holy land. So Jesus, God withdraw 2 angels from heaven and he bring them down to paradise. And then they are wings, okay? They are wings, those angels. And then he make thus a human body. He said, wear the human body, and your name will be Adam. And then Adam become a human, Adam and Eve. But Adam is by himself. I am lonely. One day, Jesus visit Adam. Adam, are you okay? No, Lord. Why? I am lonely. Okay, lay down and sleep. I will take your ribs. You know the ribs? Next to your heart, right? Okay, he took the ribs. I will make the ribs into a woman and I name it Eva. So there is Adam and Eve in paradise. Have you heard about that? Okay, Adam and Eve. Then the devil from heaven, the devil, the evil one, followed those 2 angels in paradise because they were a human body. God created Adam and Eve naked, right? And they do not know what is naked and why they were like a newly born but grown up. They are not newly born like a baby newly born like you. We begin with the newly born little one and then we grow up. And then Adam and Eve, they are wearing the human body grown up and they are naked. They don't know nothing. They are empty brain and empty heart. They don't know nothing. And then God said, Adam and Eva, thou shalt not go to the middle of the garden, the fruit, the knowledgeable fruit, apple. If you eat the apple, is a sin. Lord, apple is a fruit? Why is it a sin? No, it's a sin. It's not a fruit. Okay, do not eat that. Oh yes, Lord. And then the devil came over there in paradise. He appeared like a man, naked also. So that Adam and Eve, they were naked. Now they were 3 naked. Now one is devil. So that Adam and Eve, they will not scared to the one, extra one. The devil is also a human body naked. And then they did not know that is the devil. And then the devil tempted them to eat the apple. So they eat the apple. Eva was tempted. Eva, come here, eat my apple, said the devil. And then, you know what is apple, Elobel? Where is the apple? Is located in the middle of the legs. That male organ, that's apple. In the middle of the garden, and that's apple. So they committed sin. Okay? Now, when they committed sin, they were knowledgeable that they were naked. Oh, I am naked, said Eva. Do you know what Eva did? He cut her hair and he covered her in between the legs naked. That's why when I was 10-year-old and you are 8, that's why I have a mustache in there. You know what? Yeah. When I was 10, you are 8, right? When you are 8, you don't have a mustache. But when you are 10, there will be a mustache in between the legs. You know what is that mean? It's original sin because Eva ate the apple. Okay? And then Eva tempted Adam. Adam eat the apple. No, it's a sin. So Adam eat the apple. But Adam did not know how to eat. But he tried to eat on his mouth. That's why when he bite the apple, "Oh, I am naked," said Adam. So he was hiding now to God. "Adam, where are you?" "Lord, I am here under the tree." "Why are you hiding?" "Because I eat the apple is a sin." "Why? How did you know it's a sin?" "Because I discovered I am knowledgeable, I am naked." And then Adam, he keep cutting her hair and cover his mouth, mustache. Because they were so naked. During that time, there is no scissors and there's no banana leaves to cover their naked body. That's why God knows advanced future. He create the men short hair with mustache, and the woman long hair with no mustache, but the mustache went to the in between the legs. Okay, and then Eva said, "Oh, I am naked." He found out her breast. He cut her hair again and he covered the breast. And the devil get mad. Do not cover your breast. We need those breasts for breastfeeding for our newly born baby. And then the devil get mad. He took away the hair from the breast. He put it under arm. And then Eva said, "Why did you put the hair in my underarm? My underarm did not committed sin." And then, "No, because you don't belong to God anymore. The hands are wings. You are not angel anymore. Because you eat my apple, you committed sin. So I put the hair there underarm." That's why I have a hair on my underarm. Now you know now? And do you understand now? Is it funny? So when you grow up 10-year-old, you're gonna have a mustache there in between the legs because of the Eva eat the apple. Because there's no banana leaves to cover, right? And no scissors long time ago. And now you going to have a mustache on your underarm. That's why God created the woman long hair with no mustache. Now, how did you like that? Did you understand now? Because they eat the apple, right? It is not the apple fruits. It is the apple in the middle of the legs, in between the legs. That's the apple. God said, it changed it into beautiful sentence. "Thou shalt not go in the middle of the garden, the knowledgeable tree, and don't eat the apple is a sin." Knowledgeable tree, they will discover that they are naked. That's knowledgeable. End of story. How did you like that?
I really like it.
But you really complete understand? Why you have a mustache in between the legs and why you have a mustache under the arm? Right? Now you know. And why you are long hair, a woman? Right? So that you can keep cut your long hair and cover the naked part because you're knowledgeable now. They are naked and they committed sin, right? Wow, you completely understand. Did you like it a lot? 100% or 90%?
100%.
Oh, yay! Thank you.